The life of a doctoral scholar is often a challenging journey, filled with complex research, endless papers, and the daunting task of making sense of it all. Late nights and mounting frustration can feel like constant companions. But what if there was a way to lighten this load? A tool to turn chaos into clarity. Enter prompt engineering, a revolutionary discipline that optimizes communication with AI systems. It's the key to unlocking the immense potential of AI, transforming it from a complex tool into a powerful research ally. For doctoral scholars, this means a chance to streamline research, solve problems more efficiently, and collaborate with AI to achieve academic excellence. At the heart of prompt engineering lies a set of powerful techniques, each designed to maximize the effectiveness of AI interactions. These techniques enable scholars to extract precise, context-specific insights from AI, ensuring that the information is not just generated, but truly relevant. Let's delve into these methodologies and discover how they can revolutionize your research journey. The first technique is role prompting, a method that assigns a specific persona or role to the AI. Imagine instructing the AI to behave like a senior academic in data science or a literate researcher. This guides the AI to provide responses tailored to a particular domain or context, making its output more relevant and detailed. The role prompting process is systematic. First, you define your research objective, then assign a specific role to the AI. You detail the characteristics of this role, frame your research query, and submit the prompt. The AI generates a response which you can evaluate and adjust, refining the role description if needed until you achieve your final output. To maximize the effectiveness of role prompting, several best practices are crucial. Use direct and clear role assignments, like "you are an academic researcher," instead of imaginative constructs. Employ gender-neutral terms to mitigate bias. And adopt a two-staged approach, first establishing the role and then posing the detailed query. Role prompting offers tangible benefits for doctoral scholars. It enhances subject matter relevance, providing responses imbued with domain expertise. It leads to structured and consistent outputs, crucial for academic rigor. And it can even simulate peer review, refining research proposals and improving academic writing. The next essential methodology is iterative refinement, a process of continuous adjustment and restructuring of prompts. In research, where precision is paramount, this method helps develop high-quality, focused queries. It's about constantly improving your prompts to achieve optimal outputs. The iterative refinement process involves several key steps. You begin by drafting a base prompt, then generate and analyze the AI's output. Based on this analysis, you refine the prompt, adding constraints or clarifying context. This process repeats until the output aligns with your research objectives. Consider this example. An initial broad prompt about climate change can be refined to specifically request a 500-word article on the impact of rising sea levels on coastal communities, with specific examples and mitigation strategies. This demonstrates how iterative refinement leads to a much more focused and enriched output. Iterative refinement offers numerous benefits for doctoral scholars. It helps focus research queries, enhances output quality, reduces ambiguity, and even guides AI self-review. This process ensures that the AI's responses are accurate, detailed, and aligned with the researcher's needs. Self-refinement techniques further streamline this process, where the AI system iteratively improves its own output based on feedback. The AI uses its internal mechanisms to correct and enhance responses, aligning them closer with the user's expectations. This continuous developmental cycle results in highly optimized outputs, essential for the precision required in doctoral research. Clarity and specificity are paramount in prompt engineering. In the academic environment, especially at the doctoral level, the precision of language directly impacts the quality of research outcomes. Effective prompts serve as a bridge between the researcher's intent and the AI's capabilities. Several key elements contribute to clarity and specificity. Use defined commands like describe, analyze, or summarize. Include relevant background information and specify constraints like word counts and output formats. Combining role prompting with clear instructions further narrows the scope of output. Let's compare good and poor prompt practices. Instead of a vague command like "tell me about the study," Summarize the key findings in 3 bullet points. Provide context and background details, specify constraints, and use clear role assignments to avoid ambiguity and ensure focused responses. Here's an example of a structured prompt. First, identify your research topic. Then, assign a role to the AI, frame the task, include specific constraints, and provide relevant context. This structured approach ensures that the AI understands your needs and generates a precise and useful output. Clarity in prompt design is essential for doctoral scholars. It enhances precision, reduces misinterpretation, and streamlines the iterative refinement process. By delineating constraints and incorporating context, you optimize AI outputs and ensure they align with your research objectives. Output optimization goes beyond crafting the initial prompt. It involves systematically refining the AI's responses to achieve the highest quality output. For doctoral scholars, this means continuously enhancing research findings generated through AI systems. It's about fine-tuning the results to perfection. Key output optimization strategies include self-refinement mechanisms, where AI refines its own outputs, adaptive prompting techniques, where the AI adjusts based on user input, and feedback integration, where detailed feedback drives subsequent refinements. These strategies work together to produce concise and comprehensive outputs. The self-refinement process involves the AI generating an initial output, which is then assessed either automatically or manually. Based on this feedback, the AI refines its response, repeating the process until the final output meets the required quality standards for doctoral-level research. Output optimization offers several advantages for doctoral scholars. It enables the generation of high-quality academic writing, efficient data analysis, and enhanced collaboration between researchers and AI. These techniques are indispensable for achieving the clarity and depth required in academic dissertations and research proposals. The core prompt engineering techniques, role prompting, iterative refinement, clarity, and output optimization, open up a myriad of practical applications for doctoral scholars. These tools can be used to simulate peer review and expert consultation, enhance literature reviews, and streamline. Consider the challenge of conducting thorough literature reviews. Prompt engineering streamlines this process. By directing the AI to act as a leading literature analyst and using iterative refinement, scholars can extract key themes and synthesize findings efficiently. Clear and specific prompts ensure the AI focuses on pertinent research questions, reducing extraneous information. In applied research, data analysis is crucial. Prompt engineering assists in generating complex statistical summaries and interpreting results with domain-specific context. By simulating a biostatistician or econometrician, the AI provides nuanced and methodologically sound interpretations. Iterative query optimization allows for fine-tuning the analysis and presenting results accessibly. Developing a robust research proposal is essential, and prompt engineering offers significant enhancements. Clear and specific prompts generate detailed outlines, while iterative refinement ensures the proposal is sharpened over multiple cycles. Role prompting simulates expert input, providing critiques and suggestions that mirror actual academic guidance. Doctoral work often requires interdisciplinary approaches. Prompt engineering facilitates collaborative research by aligning multidisciplinary perspectives and enhancing communication. AI integrates insights from diverse fields, and iterative refinement helps decompose complex problems into manageable subtasks, improving resource allocation and research outputs. These practical applications demonstrate the transformative power of prompt engineering. From simulating peer review to fostering interdisciplinary collaboration, these techniques equip doctoral scholars with tools to enhance every phase of the research process, from proposal formulation to final data interpretation. While prompt engineering offers immense potential, it's crucial to acknowledge its challenges and limitations. Role prompting can introduce bias and stereotyping, and iterative refinement can be time-consuming. Ethical considerations, such as bias mitigation, transparency, and data security, must be at the forefront of AI-assisted research. Doctoral scholars must balance innovation with ethical integrity. This involves regular auditing of prompts to minimize bias, documenting iterative processes for transparency, and engaging in collaborative ethical review with peers and advisors. By addressing these challenges proactively, researchers can harness the full potential of prompt engineering while upholding the highest standards of academic integrity. The future of prompt engineering is poised for significant advancements. Emerging trends like adaptive prompting, multimodal integration, and domain-specific models promise to further enhance research outputs. As ethical frameworks and real-time optimization systems develop, prompt engineering will become a core competency for the next generation of doctoral scholars, driving innovation and excellence in academic inquiry.